Grandpa, look! I drew a picture of you!
Oh, Toby, my boy, this is wonderful. You have a true gift. Your drawings have so much heart.
Thank you, Grandpa. I want to be a real artist one day. But I only have this old pencil. Real artists use colorful paints.
A real artist doesn't need expensive things, Toby. True art comes from here, inside your heart.
Attention students, next week is the Grand Art Exhibition. The winner will receive a special medal from Madame Vonda herself.
The Grand Art Exhibition. This is my chance.
Did you hear that, Toby? An art exhibition.
I heard, Victor. I'm going to enter.
You enter the exhibition? With what?
You wear the same clothes every day. You can't even afford a paintbrush.
I will find a way.
Look at what my parents bought me. This is a solid gold paint box. The paints are imported from Paris.
The winner is already decided, Toby. And it is me.
Your paints are nice, Victor. But art is about creativity.
We will see about that, pencil boy. Try not to embarrass yourself.
Grandpa, Victor is right. I can't compete. I looked at the store. Even the cheapest paints are too expensive for us.
Come with me, Toby. Let's take a walk outside.
Outside? But we need to go to the art store.
Nature is the greatest art store in the world, my boy. Look at these red berries. Squeeze them.
Wow! The juice is so bright and red!
Now, rub these green leaves against the stone.
It makes a beautiful deep green color!
And this rich, dark earth. Mix it with a little water. I told you, Toby. The earth gives us everything we need.
I am going to paint the most beautiful forest. I'm putting on my apron. I don't want to ruin my clothes.
Go ahead, my little artist. Make the canvas come alive.
This mud makes the perfect tree trunk. It has real texture. And the berry juice makes the sunset look so warm. I've never felt so happy painting before. It's finished! Grandpa, what do you think?
Toby, it takes my breath away. It feels alive. Well, well, let's see what the poor boy created. What is this smell? It smells like dirt and crushed fruit.
It's my painting, Victor. I used materials from nature.
Nature? You mean garbage! You painted with mud!
It's not garbage, it's creativity!
It belongs in the trash, just like your old clothes.
Oops! Oh no! My hand slipped!
No, my canvas! You tore my canvas!
Such a tragedy. I guess you can't enter the exhibition now. See you at the medal ceremony, mud boy.
My painting, it's ruined. There's a huge tear right in the middle.
Toby, what happened? Why are you crying?
Victor ripped my canvas, Grandpa. The exhibition is in 2 hours. It's over. I have nothing to show.
A tear is just a challenge, Toby. Don't look at what is broken. Look at what you can build from it.
Build from it? But there's a hole.
What lives in the forest that needs a hole to go?
Ow! Baby! Grandpa, you're a genius! I need more mud and some twigs!
Welcome, everyone, to the Grand Art Exhibition.
I am looking for art that makes me feel something deep inside. Let us begin the judging.
Madam Vanda, please look at my masterpiece.
Ah, very bright colors, very clean lines.
I used only the most expensive, imported French paints.
It is very precise, young man, but it feels cold. It is very precise, young man, but it feels cold. It lacks emotion. It has no soul.
No soul? But it cost a fortune!
Money does not buy talent. Next, please.
Whose painting is this? It looks highly unusual.
It is mine, Madam Vanda.
Don't look at it, madame! He painted it with actual mud!
This is extraordinary. The colors are so rich, so organic. And this texture, it literally lifts off the canvas.
I use crushed berries for the sunset and mud for the tree.
And this tear in the canvas, you turned it into a 3D hollow for the owl.
Yes, ma'am. Someone accidentally ripped it, so I adapted.
You used a mistake to create something beautiful. That is the mark of a true master.
The winner of the Grand Exhibition is Toby!
I won? I really...
I knew you could do it, my boy. I am so proud of you.
This is impossible! My paints were solid gold!
The best art does not come from a gold box, young man. It comes from imagination, resilience, and heart.
Thank you so much, Madam Vanda.
Toby, I'm sorry. I was jealous. Your painting is much better than mine.
It's okay, Victor. Maybe next time we can paint together. I can show you how to use the berry.
You would share your secret with me? After what I did?
Art is meant to be shared, Victor.
You have a good heart, Toby. Better than any metal. Wow. Sometimes we think we need the best and most expensive things to succeed. We compare ourselves to others and feel like we don't have enough. But the most beautiful things in life don't require money. True talent and creativity come from inside you. And when life gives you a tear or a broken moment, don't give up. Use it to build something even stronger. What did you think of Toby's story? Have you ever turned a mistake into something beautiful?
Tell us in the comments. Thank you for watching English Story Vault.